home today?
Okay.
Okay. How you feeling? Your back is still bothering you?
Yes.
That Florida weather is killing you. You must move back to the Bay Area.
I'm here 6 months. So.
6 months?
Yeah.
Nice life when you retire. 6 months in Florida, 6 months in Bay Area. Life is good, huh?
Not bad.
Okay. So what's the percentage of improvement since we saw you what, 2-3 times so far?
Yeah, I think so. Like.
So you come once a week. So what's the percentage of improvement at this point?
I start end of June. I think. It's okay.
So Garrett feels a little bit better.
Yeah. In the morning I got just problem.
Yeah.
But
So
later on it's better.
It's getting better. But it's not as bad as it used to be, right? Before you came in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your hands down.
Okay.
Right in. Out. Okay. Right in. Out. Okay. Okay. Go on your side, please. Face me. Easy, Tiger. Let's take this phone off. I don't want to.
Sorry.
I don't want to.
I forgot.
I always remind patients because we broke 2 phones here. You know, people keep them in the pocket, and then when you adjust, it goes against the bench, and then the screen cracks. So after that, I ask everybody, take your phones out.
Okay, yeah, I forgot. You really have to take it.
Relax.
Oh!
Okay, good. It's very stiff today.
Huh?
I said it's very stiff today.
Oh, yeah. I got a little bit of pain.
Okay. I see the wallet in your pocket. Do you drive with it?
Yeah.
No, you can't. I told you, you can't
No.
keep the wallet in your rear pocket because it shifts your pelvis.
I forgot. I'm going old.
Do I need to call you every morning to remind you to put your wallet in your pocket?
No.
You're funny. Then you will...
Ooh,
that was a good one.
wow. Yeah.
Okay, this is your C2. You have to put it back in place.
Ooh.
Never carry the wallet in your rear pocket, front or short, okay?
Okay.
If there are any unnecessary credit cards in here, take them out.
I see.
Or business
Okay.
cards and throw them away.
Okay.
Okay? Now go on your side. Stand up for a second. Stand up, up. No. Okay, go ahead, lie on your side, face me.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Give this up. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Relax. Relax. There we go. Oh, okay, stand on your feet. How does it feel? More balanced?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good.
Good.
Right here. Okay.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, better.
So after we're done with this, after this, as soon as this patient is done with the massage, you go next, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.